Village life is better because there is no pollution, no noise. But in cities, there are so many pollution.
City life is better than village life because there is many facilities for education in city life. Here in city life, so many places to visit. If you want to buy something in village, my own village, if you want to something buy there, you have to come Chapa or Janjgir. There is no one good shop to buy something, so that's why city life is better than village life.
In city life there is so many facilities, but in village life there is a peace of mind. There are so many trees that give us oxygen, which is good. There is green, which is good for us, which is good for our health. In village life people live longer than citizens, because there is no pollution, there is no sound pollution, air pollution and water pollution, which is good for us. In city life there is a rush, but in village life people live their life.
In city life, we get many facilities like transport, healthcare, etc.
Village life is better than city life because in cities people are very busy in their work and they get stressed. But in the village there is a very peaceful environment, so that help people to take less stress and take good care of itself.
City life in the best life, there are many types facility, telephone, college, school, university.
There are many facilities more than rural areas, but it comes at higher cost of living as well.
In a village, if someone fallen ill, then they have to come city for treatment, because in very less village there are good doctor and hospital, but in a city there are so many doctors, so many hospitals for their treatment. And if it is a emergency, then sometime people does die for this. If you want to call someone in emergency, then in village there are very network issues, but in city there are no network issue.
As Aditi said that in emergency, in city the people can call doctor, ambulance, or they take the patient to hospital. But in village also, if an emergency comes, the neighbors will help you and take you to hospital to a doctor in an emergency. And second, there is so many greeneries in villages, and in cities there is very less amount of plants are there, and that is why so many people get ill in cities. And in villages the peoples are very well healthy.
But people come from village to search a job in city, and the village have not any job, and the city life is more comfortable than village life.
As Dolina said, villagers go to the city in search of job, but in village people do farming to live, which is good for everyone. In city, people leave their stressful life because of their job and rush and everything. But in village, people live their peaceful life. They do farming. They go to their neighbors' home to meet them, to spend some time with them. People every day meet with their neighbors and everyone, but in city people live their own life.
I understood Garima Didi said village life is also good, but villagers farming and their student come to city for study for their future.
In village the people have very good community bond and they know each other very well, so there is a very less crime. But in cities the people do not know each other, so there is a very higher percentage of crime from the village.
I completely agree with that. Crime rate is very less in the village and very high in city. I completely agree with that. But as Atif had said that villagers are healthy, but now at this time villagers are also very lazy. They do not want to do farming. They do not want to do hard works for farm in their farm. There are so many peoples come to city for their job, for do work in plants and in shops, etc.
In cities, people are totally dependent on machineries, but in villages, less people are dependent on machineries, but more people will work hard, and they enjoy in the village life because there are so many ponds, rivers, but there is no pond, river, and waterfall in cities. So village is better than city.
And also Aditi said that in India the farmers become lazy, but now at the time 69.3% people do farming works. And second point is that their children do not want to farming, but for that they want to new job, so they come to cities. So they trust on city people, but the city people broke their trust and take their monies, take their family.
As Atif had said that citizens at this time citizens are totally dependent on machinery. No, villagers also they are dependent on machinery for farming. At this time farmers also use so many chemicals, fertilizers to grow up their harvest, to grow up their crops. So they also use modern age facilities for their farming. So you can't say that only citizens are totally dependent on machinery. Villagers also dependent on the machinery.
As Aditi said that some villagers are also dependent on machineries. I accept that some villagers are dependent on machineries, but the whole food we get comes from the villages. The farmers grow it, like wheat, rice,